What did you inherit that's worth more than money? I was an overworked single mom when my 4-year-old daughter caught the flu. And when she passed the virus to me, I was completely wiped out. I remember lying in bed, feverish and helpless, when I woke up to my 94-year-old grandfather coming down the stairs and covering me with a blanket, just like when I was a child. For 3 days he cared for us, made soup, cleaned up, told my daughter stories about growing up during the war. He never once complained. Then a week after we got better, he caught the flu. At first we thought it was pretty funny and even joked about how he must have wanted a taste of the soup he made for us. And on the 3rd day, we all sat on the couch wrapped in blankets, and Grandpa said it was the best vacation he'd had in years. But soon it was clear that his body couldn't fight it off. I still remember how I felt sitting by his hospital bed, holding his frail hand as his breathing grew shallow. Within 2 weeks, his lungs gave out, and he died. Because even at 94, he couldn't ignore the instinct to protect his family. He taught me that love isn't just words or gestures, it's showing up even when it costs everything. His legacy runs through me, and I'm proud to inherit the same heart that put family above everything.